our respected principal, teachers, parents, guardians, and my beloved fellow completers. I am Ayesha Jean Laganas from kindergarten. Today, I would like to express a sincere thanks first to our curator for giving us a college and wisdom. Thank you, Lord, for guiding us to this year. To our dear parents who provided us everything we need, especially the love and care and unending guidance and support. Even if sometimes I'm naughty and hard-headed, thank you, Mommy and Daddy. To my classmates, thank you for a friendship. Thank you for being my playmates. You'll be always in my heart. Again, I am Ayesha Gilaganas, and I'm proud to say, we did it! We did it! Thank you, everyone.
Thank you,